What's going on YouTube? TDOT Globetrotter checking in here. These are 4 essential things that I need to have for when I travel. So for the first thing, and this is underrated, get yourself like a tracksuit or some warm, comfortable clothes. So like for me, this is a Nike tracksuit. Also, the plane is usually cold, so having a sweater is really crucial. Um, but when I'm in the airport, this is usually all I'm wearing. If you're going on a long plane ride, you need comfortable clothing. There's no doubt about that. The second essential thing is headphones, especially noise canceling headphones. So having this is like really, really helpful for blocking out the noise that the plane makes, and then obviously blocking around all your surroundings. Any babies crying, people talking. Sometimes you just want your peace on a long plane ride. Um, to back that up, we have some toiletries here. So we have, essential toothbrush, toothpaste, and then mouthwash. Now, typically for long plane rides, an airline will provide this, but bringing your own, something that you're used to, is more better, because the ones that the plane provides aren't really the best, and you can see there's a big difference between this and then what they give you. So always bring this as a backup, and then to add to that, in your carry-on bags, always add clothes as well, just in case your luggage is lost. I had a friend tell me the other day that his luggage got lost and he packed extra clothing for the trip as a backup. Um, but yeah, it does happen, unfortunately. So bring a lot of your necessities in your carry-on bag just in case something happens. For the fourth item, and this is probably my favorite item, is a neck pillow. There's been a time where I actually forgot this at home and I was late for my flight, and I literally debated going back home to get it, which is not smart at all. But neck pillow, absolutely essential. Like, just to comfort, just to lay back. Like, I've had neck pillows and not had neck pillows on planes, and there's a total 360 difference. So make sure you bring one of these. Very, very vital and crucial, in my opinion. So if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that bell for post notifications. I also post vlogs weekly as well, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, check it out. Every Monday you'll see a vlog posted, and you can see where I'm at in the world. And I do thank you guys for watching the video. T-Dot Globetrotter out. Peace.